Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Instagram account private. If you're new here, I'm Michael, so let's get started. To make your Instagram account private, you want to make sure you're signing into the Instagram account that you want to make a private account. And your Instagram profile are not a professional account. If you're on a professional account, you won't be able to do this. You have to convert from a professional account to a personal account before you can make your Instagram account private. To switch from a professional account to a personal account, you can do that by clicking on Edit Profile and then scroll down till you find Account Type and Tools. Click on this and this is going to take you to this page. Here you'll be able to select your account type, which if your Instagram account is a professional account, you will see Switch to Personal Account under it. To make your Instagram account private now, click on the settings icon and then click on settings and privacy. Here you'll be able to turn your account private. Toggle on this and then click switch to private. And that's all. You have successfully turned your Instagram account private. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to make Instagram accounts private. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.